So here we are at the herb spiral. This herb spiral was created in the pattern of a 3 spiral connected in the middle. It's a really ancient symbol that was found 10,000 years before Christ. And it could mean various things. In this respect, we thought it would be fun to play with the past, present and future. Now, when you're making a spiral, you usually position it near your kitchen, so you can just literally pop out. If you forgot the basil, you're making a beautiful Italian pasta, you jump out, grab your basil and jump back in. It's not miles away, because if you have to walk a lot to your spiral, you probably won't use it. Now, when making a spiral, there's a few things you have to be careful of, and that's the foundation. The first rocks that you place, you have to think that your spiral is beautiful, because you want a really even spiral, and it has to be solid, because as you're building up the rocks, you don't want it to collapse on you. And usually we get a child to walk around the edge. If the child says it's not wobbly, then we know it works. We had a perfectionist in the group, and she was like, she would fill up all the holes, and that's what you want to, because if you leave holes in between your rocks, obviously when there's a big rain, your soil will wash down the valley. Now, planting your herb spiral. So before you add the soil to your herb spiral, you can backfill this highest point. You don't need 60 to a meter of soil. So what you can do, you can put logs, twigs, some people put cardboard without print, especially if you're living in an urban area, small rocks, lots of dried leaves. So you can fill it up half with backfill, so then you only have half of soil to top it up with, because the plants don't need that much root space. As I was saying, when you're planting it, you will plant Mediterranean herbs on the top. So you'll have your rosemary, your sage, your marjoram. You may plant oregano. So things that really like a dry space. As you're coming down, you have more of a subtropical. So you can plant your things like parsley. You plant fennel, chamomile, things that like a little bit of humidity. Then as you go down further down the spiral, you'll plant things like your mints, your pennyroyals. You might plant lemongrass, things that like having a bit more humidity. Usually I choose Asian vegetables or herbs to go in this lower part. For your herb garden to be a success, I usually follow 3 basic rules, and that is plant what you like to see, plant what you like to smell, and plant what you like to eat. 3 really basic rules, and then you'll keep using your herb spiral.